Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get an overdraft in Monzo. Alright, let's begin. First of all, as you can see, I'm on an official Monzo article, so let's just start right at the beginning. You can see if you're eligible for an overdraft in your personal account. They don't offer overdrafts on joint accounts right now. So for this, tap the home icon in the menu bar and then tap on your profile picture. Then scroll down to your personal account and you tap Learn about overdrafts. If you're not eligible, set up an overdraft, but if you're eligible, then manage your overdraft if you already have one. They determine eligibility based on their own data and information from the credit references. Reference agencies like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So checking to see if you're eligible doesn't impact your credit score. You can also see how they limit your eligibility and at what rate. So this is everything you need to know about overdrafts. If you want to have one or want to know if you are eligible, launch the app, click on your profile, and then scroll down to your personal information. Then tap Learn about overdrafts or Set up an overdraft. So that's basically how you can get an overdraft in Monzo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!